Unlock endless product possibilities for your Shopify store by seamlessly connecting with AliExpress and mastering the art of dropshipping. First things first, you need to ensure your Shopify store is set up and ready to go. This means having your basic store information complete and a clear understanding of your niche. If you haven't already, create your Shopify account and begin building your store. Now, let's find the key to this connection. Head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to the Apps section. From there, click on Visit the Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to find a reliable AliExpress dropshipping app. Popular options include Sirs, Oberlo, though note it's being phased out for Sirs, and others. For this tutorial, we'll proceed with a widely recommended app like Sirs. Click on your chosen app to install. You'll see an app page with details about its features. Look for the Add App button and click it. You'll then be prompted to review the permissions the app requires. Carefully read these and, if you're comfortable, click Install App. Once installed, the app will guide you through its setup process. This usually involves connecting your AliExpress account. You might need to log into your AliExpress account through the app's interface. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. With the connection established, the magic happens. You can now browse AliExpress for products that align with your store's niche. Most dropshipping apps provide an extension or a direct import feature. Find a product on AliExpress and using your app's tool, click the Import button. This will instantly add product details, images, and pricing to your Shopify store. Before publishing, take a moment to review and edit the imported product information within your Shopify admin. Optimize your product titles, descriptions, and pricing to match your brand voice and attract customers. You can also adjust pricing markups here to ensure profitability. The true power of this integration lies in automation. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, your connected dropshipping app will automatically forward the order details and payment to AliExpress. The supplier then handles the fulfillment and shipping directly to your customer, eliminating manual work and expanding your product offerings without holding inventory.